The main part today to keep the focus in each situation, and especially when you concede the first goal after some minutes, and then I would say we controlled after 10, 15, 20 minutes the game, but the energy was not so good the first half. We had some chances, of course, it was okay from our structure, but the body language, the energy, that was not so good in the first half, and then halftime is sometimes good to keep the group together. And the second half was much better, not only from the tactical point, it's more from the energy. The first step, last step, every time to believe in your quality, to believe when you're doing a mistake, no problem, to help, to support each other, that's no problem. Yeah, and then at the end, it was a little bit then the situation for us, but I think it is a penalty at the end, to be honest. It was not offside. So, and then it was, I think it was really good, the second penalty of Choupo after he missed the first penalty, but it's okay. And this is what we have to continue to believe. And we were 2-0 down against New England, come back 1-0 down today, and that was good behavior, good mentality, which is not so easy today to play on this pitch, to be honest. This is, when we have a home game, it has to be a big advantage for us, but it's not possible to play on this pitch very well, very clean, and this is what we have to learn, everyone here, when we want to be successful, very professional, then we need 100% a better pitch for the opponent, for us, for everything. This was not good today.